Hi guys, join me as I create my vlogs and my storytelling videos without camera or gadgets. Can this actually come to life? Have you ever imagined turning your video ideas into instant videos without shooting any video? This sounds good, right? I know a lot of us want to be content creators, but we are facing some limitations like time, resources, or even gadgets to use and start our content creation. Don't worry, no problem at all. That is why in today's video, I am going to teach you how to create amazing vlogs and storytelling videos without having to shoot your video or maybe getting a camera or expensive gadgets to go on this process. It also reduces your time. You won't waste time anymore. This is just simple, short, and real. Every steps I took in few minutes brought these imaginable ideas into reality. That is why you have to watch this video to the end for you to get a better understanding and step-by-step guide on how to achieve this for yourself. Hey guys, my name is Ruth and welcome to my channel. In this channel, I talk about YouTube growth, social media growth, and how to make money online. I believe that as a small creator, that all you need is how to grow your channels. And for you to be able to do this, as someone who is still new in the space, you need to learn tips, growth hacks from people who have experience. And that is why in this channel, as someone who has experience on how to build a successful YouTube channel from scratch, get it monetized, and then scale it up there. I share my experiences, I share my mistakes, and I share all the corrections I did for me to succeed on YouTube. If this is the kind of content you want to see, what are you waiting for? You just have to stay with me. And for you to stay with me, you need to hit on that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that you won't miss any time I post amazing content that would benefit you in your growth journey. I hope you have done this. Don't be stingy because it is actually free. Now that you are subscribing to my channel, thank you so much guys. For those who subscribe, thank you so much. Thank you. I really appreciate. Now let's right into the video as I show you step by step on how to create vlogs or storytelling videos without you shooting your video. But wait, please give this video a like. Please give this video a thumbs up. This is a way you can support this channel. Have you done that? Thank you so much to those who actually like this video. Now, the step-by-step guide that I am going to show you now, the second to the last and the last is the most amazing one that brought this imagination into reality. So you have to stick to the end of this video. Don't skip this video. Now, let's write in. The step number one. Now, all you need to do is you go to your browser. And once you get to your browser, the next thing you do, see what I just did. So first of all, you head on to your browser. So I'm using Chrome. So you go to your search bar and type AI image generator free. AI image generator free, right? And this is what you get. AI image generator free. So it's going to bring several samples. Okay, leave this one. You see this one, ChatGPT, leave it. You see art, leave it. Free pick, leave it. Now we're going to use this one called Deep AI. Okay, so you click on it, Deep AI. It's going to take us to their website. It's actually a web page. It's actually a web. It's not an app, so it's a web. Okay, so you allow it to load and open. So after signing up, this is what you are going to get. You know, I've already used this platform. That's why it didn't show sign up for me, right? But for you, if you are starting, it will demand you to sign up. So you just sign up with your email or your Google account direct, okay? So the next thing is for us to describe what you see here. They say AI image generator. Describe what you like to generate. Now, what do you want to generate? What is your story about? Let's say you want to talk about, let's say example, a vlog of you cooking in the kitchen. You can actually write, okay, I want an image of a black African woman standing in the kitchen with vegetables in front of her, facing the kitchen tap. Let me just say this. I want an image of a black African woman standing in the kitchen with vegetables in front of her. So let's see what this is going to give us. Okay. So we now say submit. It's going to load, like process the whole thing before it generates the outcome. So let's wait. Okay, you can see what it generated for us here. It generated an image of a woman in front with vegetables in front of her, just the way we say, facing the washing sink and everything. So you can also customize it to whatever, like anyhow you want it. You can tune, yeah, you can you type your prompts based on the kind of content you want to create. Okay, if you are telling a story of a woman in a village, so you type that you want an African woman in a village or a white woman in a village settings. Okay, that is it. Now that we have gotten this, you might not get exactly what you want in the first prompt, so you can resend the prompt until you get exactly what you want. After doing this, the next thing is for us to come to download, click on download and download the image. Okay, so if you need, based on your script, if your script needs like three kind of scene, maybe a scene where a woman is in the kitchen cooking, and a scene where the woman is outside sweeping, a scene where like doing different things, so you can also create it. Okay, I want an image of the same, so this the same character of the same black African woman character generated before, standing in the kitchen cooking. Let's say the next one, standing in the kitchen cooking the vegetables. Now we can go and click on
Slicing the
generate
vegetables
again.
in the kitchen.
So you allow it to generate. So it will generate her slicing the vegetable, will generate when she's cooking the vegetable, and so on, like depending on the scene you want to show. Okay, so the next thing we have to do is to go back to our Chrome and go and search for Acol free AI image to video tools. Okay, so that's what we're searching for, acol.com. This is it. Cool. Image to video. Now what we are going to do here is for us to choose. You sign up. If you are new, you have to sign up. Like I've been using this, so you already have to choose the image you want. So let's go. You click on choose a file or drag and drop. Okay, so once you click on choose a file or drag and drop, it will take you to your phone gallery. So you now choose those image we downloaded from that text to image platform. Now this is the image here. This is the image I finally downloaded. I was okay with this, so I just uploaded this image. Now the next thing I have to do is to go and type my prompt. I type the what action I want that image to do. I can see here, to make this image with um smooth camera movement and subtitle object motion, showing how she is washing the vegetables. And then after doing that, I click on generate results. Okay, click on generate results. After typing the prompt, make sure you give the prompt of what you want, then send it generate result. Now it is processing the video. Okay, so the video is ready now. It takes few minutes before the video is fully ready. Okay, so now look at our video. I hope you can see the action going on there. The woman is now washing the vegetables, right, using the water from the tap. Have you seen this? So it now looks real. It looks real. Downloading After downloading this video, this is the outcome of the video. You can see this is wonderful, this is amazing. So the next thing we do is we bring down the second image for the second scene, and we also do the same thing. After uploading it, we give a prompt of what we want, the action we want to see in the video. So you type a prompt, like in this I actually type a prompt like camera movement and subtitle on this woman slicing the vegetable. That's what I want. That's the emotion I want. I want her to be slicing that vegetable. Okay. And then after putting this prompt, the next thing I'm going to do is to click on generate result. And it's going to process it the same way it did for the other one. And then our result is ready. Now, this is the outcome
All right, so
of
now that
the
we have downloaded the
results
two
for
videos,
this
we
one.
move on to the next step. The next step is you go to your InShot app, download it if you don't on Google Play, InShot app. Then click on video. It takes you to your phone camera and you choose these videos that we have already downloaded. You can see this. You choose the video. Now the next thing I'm going to do is after uploading the two videos, we now search here. Let's go. You see what I just clicked? Right, I went to change the captions, like to put it in 16.9, which is the YouTube specification. Right, so now put it on the YouTube site, and then the next thing we have to do here is that the video is so fast, so I'll go and reduce the speed. Go and click on speed. I reduce it to 0.30, right, so that it also extend our video length and also reduce the speed of that video. Then we enter the next video and do the same for the next video. Change it and then change it to 16.9, right, and after make sure it fits the screen. After fitting the screen, you go down and change the speed of that video. Now after changing the speed of this video, you can play and see that this is the outcome of the video, how it looks like. At least this is like almost a 30 seconds video, how it looks like. Now you can customize it more for your content, either vlogs or for storytelling. So you now go to where we have the music icon. Once you reach the music icon, you click on it, choose record, and record your voice over, like the story you want to tell behind and any other thing you want to talk about. You record it and boom, your video is done. You download it and it's ready to be used on YouTube.
That's super easy and amazing, right? Have you seen it? So you can actually achieve this without you having to shoot your videos, and then boom, your content is ready. So the benefit of the text to image and text to video AI tools is that it saves you time. Yes, it saves you time. It opens up possibilities for creators, especially small creators who don't have like gadgets, right? It allows you to focus on the real thing, which is your storytelling. Your story is the real thing. So it just give you that time. Okay, instead of thinking about to start shooting, just focus on the a creative story idea, right? And then bring it up, and then we help you solve the problem. Are you excited? If you're excited about this, then let me know in the comment section. And then if you have tried this before, let me know your experience with AI tools in the comment section. Okay, please, I hope you have liked this video. Don't go without liking this video. If you are confused about video ideas or niche you want to go into as a small YouTuber, maybe you are like, I'm ready to start this journey, but I don't know the niche I want to go into. Which niche am I even going to for me to even be able to create story and bring ideas, right? Now this is it. I have a perfect video here that tells you the top niches with low competition and high RPM. So you can check on this video and get all the details you want. I also have another video here that gives you all the information you need for you to create amazing video ideas that will push you out there and make you stand out. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching my videos, and at this point I want to say thank you. I hope I impacted knowledge in you and you got value from this video. So please click on the like button, like this video, and let me know in the comment section your experience about AI. See you in my next video, and thank you.